you guys know what I mean if you're car people. Okay, best front goes to Adam Perino with the Ford Ranchero 1960. Hey brother, will you take some pictures of us?
Bring him over. Come over here. Everyone, give it up.
Give it up for Eric. There he is.
Take a picture, brother. Thank you, man. Come on, girl.
Yeah, Steve.
Fuck yeah. 53.
53 Chevy sedan.
Yeah. There you go, brother. Yeah. Thank you, brother. You guys did a pretty good job, man.
Give it up for Steve.
Best under construction, man. There's nobody else that could possibly fucking be, dude. Wes has everything except the fucking last little bits of it, but his car is still sick as fuck. This is for Wes from Genocide, SFV. That's my boy right here. This is for Wes.
What kind of car is it?
That is a sick fucking car under construction, almost done, man. That thing's so close. Get a picture of the Jeep.
Thanks, brother. Shit, that's
Oh. What do we got?
Give it up for TC.
Thank you. Right on.
Thank you guys all. We hope to see you guys all next year. Make sure you're careful leaving here, doing it in the order of the shotgun. And you guys, we appreciate everything.
Hickory dickory dock, back from the dead is a miracle dock. They counted me out.